Okay, problem 10. First you have a parabola, this 12 minus x squared. Okay, what is the largest area of rectangle we can have? For example, we can have this rectangle, it has an area, right? Or we can have a rectangle like this, so which is an area. Right? We can have a rectangle like this, and this is the area. So it asks us which rectangle gives you the largest area. So because I want the rectangle gives me the largest area, of course I won't consider this kind of rectangle, right? I want it to be as large as possible or as large as possible, right? So we only consider rectangles where two vertex are on the parabola. Okay. So let's call this rectangle. Okay, this point is x0, right? This point is x 12 minus x squared. So this length is 0. Sorry, this length is x. So we only consider x. So we say x is greater than equal to 0 and smaller or equal to 12, right? Because, sorry, smaller or equal to square root of 12, because this point is what? Is when this is 0, so this point is 2 square root of 3. And this point is negative 2 square root of 3. Right, so your x is between 0 and 2 square root of 3. Then what is the area? What is the largest area? So what is this area? This area is, right, this area is this 2x times, right, the height, 12 minus x squared. Okay, so the area is 2x times 12 minus x squared, right, which is, right, 24x minus 2x cubed. Then on the closed interval 0 2 square root of 3. So what is the maximum value of this function? So of course first you can figure out the endpoints. What is a0? A0 is 0. A2 square root of 3 is 0. Okay, then second part, the a's derivative is 24 minus, right, 6x squared. So the stationary point, right, stationary point is when this equals 0, right, which means 24 minus 6x squared equals 0, which means x is positive or negative 2, right? But because x is between 0 and square root of 3, so x is only positive 2. Right. Then there's no singular point because the derivative it's always continuous, right? There's no singular point. So you can compare. Then what is a2? A2 is, you sub back, it is it's 8 times 2 times 2, right? It is 32. So the global max, right? So the conclusion is that the global max is 32 when x is 2. Okay, the global max is 32 when x is 2.